In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use HubSpot's new lead scoring tool, updated for 2025. This guide aims to give you a comprehensive look into how you can effectively manage leads within HubSpot, enhancing your sales process significantly. Let's get started by navigating to the Sales Hub Professional Trial Guide. This is your starting point and sets the groundwork for the lead scoring tool. Once you've reached the trial guide, your next step is to look for and click on the lead scoring section. The lead scoring tool is a game changer for marketers and sales teams who want to prioritize their leads based on potential payoff. This opens an interface that gives you the option to manage your potential leads and refine your scoring system. In this step, we will be focusing on starting from scratch, which allows you to customize the lead scoring criteria that best fit your business needs. Compare this to pre-existing templates that might not align perfectly with your specific objectives. You may find this feature particularly helpful if you're dealing with diverse customer profiles or a specific market segment. Next, you will need to click on Contacts. Here, you'll find all the individual profiles of your leads, sorting through them with precision to identify the most promising prospects. The Contact section is crucial because it stores every individual lead your business deals with, allowing you to weigh various engagement metrics in your lead scoring model. Following that, click on Companies. Just like Contacts, this section focuses on the organization level. It's essential to analyze companies alongside individual leads, as different contacts from the same company might indicate various levels of interest in your product or service. This way, you can tweak your scores based on a more holistic understanding of who your high-value targets really are. Afterward, proceed to the Deals section. This segment allows you to track ongoing negotiations and transactions. Keeping an eye on deals helps you connect the dots between interested leads and actual business outcomes. This consideration in your scoring algorithm can be highly beneficial in focusing your efforts on more lucrative prospects. Finally, after organizing your contacts, companies, and deals, click on Create. By doing so, you're actively configuring your lead scoring model. Congratulations on reaching this step, as it marks the culmination of setting up a customized system that really works for your specific business structure. To wrap it all up, using HubSpot's lead scoring tool with these outlined steps allows you to evaluate and prioritize leads more effectively, ensuring you allocate resources where they matter most. Learning to harness this feature will undoubtedly boost your ability to convert leads into successful deals, optimizing both your sales strategy and overall business effectiveness. Thank you for joining me today, and feel free to revisit this guide anytime you need a refresher.